That we have had this fatal accident along this route, as you have witnessed. First of all, I want to start by sending condolences to the people who have lost their lives, and as well confirm that up to now we have not been able to confirm exactly how many fatalities we have had here, but we are certain that we have had some fatalities. The other thing that we are yet to know is what exactly is the cause of the accident, because that is subject to investigations, and we ask upon the members or the family members to take heart for the loss, for those who have lost their loved ones, and so we want to rush to the various hospitals where the victims may have been taken to, so that we confirm the number of fatalities or the number of injuries. These are passengers whom we don't know who their relatives could be. These are passengers who are traveling to the various destinations, and the relatives are yet to be identified, as the bodies are yet to be identified. Fine, this place has been named as a hotspot all along, but we call upon the drivers, and more especially the owners of the motor vehicles, because since I've said we have not known the cause of the accident and we have not known whom to blame, because some of the cases may be mechanical, and we also ask for the drivers and the owners of the motor vehicles to actually get their vehicle to be roadworthy at all times, more especially the public service vehicles.